Welcome back to the channel, Coin Enthusiasts. Today we're taking a closer look at not just one, but three interesting British coins. The 1997 1 penny, the 1983 1 penny and the 1992 1 penny. We'll explore their designs, mintages and discuss any rare variants or hidden value that might make these pennies stand out to collectors. If you're passionate about coin collecting or just curious about the world of British coins, you won't want to miss this one. Let's dive in. The 1997 UK 1 penny coin is part of the British decimal coinage system and holds both historical and numismatic interest. General information. Denomination: 1 penny issuing. Country: United Kingdom. Year of issue: 1997. Metal composition: bronze 97%. Copper 2.5%. Zinc and 0.5% tin. Weight: 3.56 grams. Diameter: 20.3 millimeters. Thickness: 1.65 millimeters. Edge: plain smooth edge. Mintage: very high in the hundreds of millions, making it a common coin. Obverse front. Features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. Designed by Ian Rank Broadley. It was the first year this portrait was used. The inscription around the portrait reads: Elizabeth II DG Reg. FD Dei. Gratia Regina Fide Defensatrix. Meaning by the grace of God Queen. Defender of the Faith. The date 1997 is also shown. Reverse back depicts the portcullis with chains, a design originally from the badge of Henry VII and later used for the House of Commons. It was created by Christopher Ironside. The inscription reads, 1 penny. Rarity and value: the 1997 1 penny coin is not particularly rare due to its large mintage numbers. Condition matters: circulated examples typically hold their face value of 1 penny, while uncirculated or proof versions, especially in mint condition, may be worth a bit more to collectors. Around £1 to £2 depending on the market. The 1997 UK 1 penny coin was produced as part of the United Kingdom's decimal coinage system, which was introduced in 1971. This system replaced the old pre-decimal currency. Start of minting penny: the penny coin in its decimal form began being minted in 1971. End of bronze penny production. In 1992, the composition of the penny changed from bronze to a copper-plated steel due to rising copper prices. However, some bronze coins were still in circulation and could be found up to the early 1990s. The 1997 penny is part of this post-bronze era but still follows the tradition of earlier designs. Current status: the 1 penny coin continues to be minted and remains in circulation today as a low denomination coin in the UK. There has been no announcement to discontinue the 1 penny coin officially, though there has been occasional public debate about its future due to its low value. So while the 1997 penny was a common issue, the 1 penny coin itself has been part of the UK currency system for over 50 years and continues to be used. The value of a 1997 UK 1 penny coin in Pakistan and Bangladesh can vary depending on demand, coin condition, and the collector's market. However, generally the coin holds minimal value outside of the UK as a foreign currency, but it may still have some worth among collectors. Value in Pakistan. General value: in Pakistan, the 1 penny coin does not have significant face value or usage as legal tender. However, collectors may be interested in British coins, especially if they are in mint or uncirculated condition. Estimated value: around 5 to 20 pkr, depending on the condition, but higher for rare varieties or error coins. Value in Bangladesh. General value: like Pakistan, the 1 penny coin holds no legal tender value in Bangladesh, but collectors of foreign or historical coins may find it interesting. Estimated value: around 5 to 20 BDT, with more value for uncirculated or proof versions. Second, the 1992 UK 1 penny coin is part of the British decimal currency system. Obverse, front features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Raphael McLuth. This portrait was used on UK coins from 1985 to 1997. Inscription: Elizabeth II DG Reg. FD. Elizabeth, II by the grace of God Queen, Defender of the Faith. Reverse back depicts the portcullis with chains, a design that has been in use since 1971, symbolizing the Palace of Westminster Parliament. Designer Christopher Ironside. The inscription reads: 1 penny the top and the value 1 at the bottom. Metal composition: bronze 97% copper, 2.5% zinc, 0.5% tin was used in some 1992 coins. Starting in late 1992, some pennies were minted using copper-plated steel. This was a significant shift due to the rising cost of copper. Weight: 3.56 grams. Diameter: 20.3 millimeter. Thickness: 1.52 millimeters. Edge: smooth. Notable aspects: transition. Year: 1992 marked the transition from bronze to copper-plated steel. Some pennies from this year could still be bronze, making them more collectible, while others are the new steel composition. Magnetism. The copper-plated steel pennies are magnetic due to the steel content, whereas the bronze ones are not. This is a quick way to tell the difference. The UK 1 penny coin in the design featuring the portcullis with chains was first introduced in 1971 as part of the decimalisation of British currency, when the UK switched to a decimal system from the old pounds, shillings, and pence system. Key dates: introduced 1971 as part of the decimal coinage. Design duration. This specific reverse design, featuring the portcullis with chains, was used from 1971 until 2008. Discontinued. In 2008, the reverse design was changed. The new reverse features a part of the Royal Shield of Arms, designed by Matthew Dent. This change marked the end of the portcullis design on the 1 penny coin. Therefore, the portcullis design for the UK 1 penny coin was minted from 1971 to 2008, and coins with this design are still legal tender, even though the design has changed. Second, so let's get started at the 1983 1 penny coin from the UK is part of the decimal coinage system introduced in 1971. Value: 1 penny 1/100 of a pound. Issued 1983. Composition: bronze 97% copper, 2.5% zinc, 0.5% tin. Weight: 3.56 grams. Diameter: 20.32 millimeters. Thickness: 1.52 millimeters. Edge: plain, smooth. Shape: round. Minting: produced by the Royal Mint. Designer: Arnold Machin. The portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, facing right, wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. Elizabeth II DG Reg. F.D. 1983. Elizabeth II, by the grace of God Queen, Defender of the Faith. Designer Christopher Ironside. The design features a crown portcullis with chains, originally the emblem of Westminster. Inscription: 1 penny. The 1983 1 penny is generally not considered rare, but it's significant because of its mintage in a special set. Proof set: no new pence error. There were no major known errors for the 1983 penny itself, though the new pence era, where coins intended for circulation in the early 1980s were mistakenly struck with an older inscription, did not affect this coin. Proof coins for collectors were struck in higher quality and were part of the 1983 commemorative S. The obverse features a portrait of Abraham Lincoln, originally designed by Victor David Brenner. The reverse side features the Lincoln Memorial, a design that was in use from 1959 Until 2008. The 1983 penny is made of 97.5% zinc and 2.5% copper. This change in composition occurred in 1982, when the US Mint switched from the earlier copper composition due to rising metal prices. Pennies from 1983 can have different mint marks indicating where they were produced. Coins may have AP for the Philadelphia Mint, D for the Denver Mint, or no mint mark also indicating Philadelphia. Most 1983 pennies are common and typically worth only their face value. However, certain varieties such as the 1983 D copper penny are rare and can be worth significantly more to collectors. Please subscribe my channel.